Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Sam. Today is the day that a lot of you have been waiting for anxiously. Since iOS 13 was announced just a few weeks back, you can finally download the public beta for free, safely, officially through Apple today, and I want to show you exactly how to do that, how to get features like dark mode, being able to use game controllers on your iPhone or iPad. It is super cool. All of you are going to love it, so drop a like down below if you're excited, and of course, hit subscribe so you always stay up to date on the latest iOS 13 news and features. Now, if you're already on the iOS 13 developer beta, there is zero incentive for you to switch over to the public beta really, because it's the exact same build and version number. So iOS 13 developer beta 2 is identical to iOS 13 public beta 1, and I wanted to throw that out there first. So doing this is actually really simple. I remember back in the day trying to download an iOS beta was really hard, but it's as easy as starting out by going to beta.apple.com. I'll leave that link down below. Once you're there, it may take a little bit to load just because the site has been under a heavy load today. There has been an absolute metric ton of traffic. Everybody wants to get their hands on this public beta, but go ahead and tap sign in. You will have to sign in with your Apple ID to get started, but obviously once you do that, you land on this page right here. At the very top now, you will want to do this from the iOS device that you want to install iOS 13 on. Tap on enroll your device. And the first thing that Apple is going to tell you to do is to archive a backup through iTunes if you're on Mojave or older, or in Finder if you're on macOS Catalina. There's also public beta out for that as well. I feel like a lot of people have made these videos in the past and just try to get you on iOS 13 as quick as possible, but like, I want to stress, guys, it's a beta. It's not perfect. You're going to run into bugs and issues. Some of your apps aren't going to work completely properly. Like I've noticed for me, autocorrect has been a little bit off since I've updated to iOS 13. Like you're getting some new features. You're on the bleeding edge of what Apple's been working on. However, it's not going to be perfect yet because it's called a beta for a reason. So don't be upset when your phone doesn't work as well as it did before. Like that's the risk you're taking when updating to iOS 13. So do that. I would highly recommend it. Once you've backed up your device, scroll down to install profile and tap on download profile right here. It's going to warn you, hey, this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow it? Because it's from Apple, it's safe. Tap allow and it will say the profile is downloaded. Review it in the settings app. Now that it's downloaded, let's head over to the settings app. There's a really cool feature where it shows up on the main page. Tap on profile downloaded, tap on install, and then tap in your passcode that you have set. And once you've done that, you'll just have to hit install one more time, and then finally install once more. Once it's installed, it'll say, hey, we have to do a quick restart of your iOS device. It doesn't take more than like, I don't know, 30-ish seconds. It's going to go through that. And then once you are at this step, you are literally minutes away from getting iOS 13. Just head back to the settings app once you have unlocked your device after it restarted. Tap on settings, general, and there it is in software update iOS 13, which is really cool. You can go ahead and get downloading. It will take a second because it is a significantly sized update packed with features and changes to the brim, but go ahead and download it. But once it is finally downloaded, then you can just restart your device and actually install the software, and it will start installing like any other iOS update that you've ever gone through. And then, of course, this time, instead of it being minor bug fixes and changes like in many iOS 12 updates, when your phone restarts for that final time, you do have iOS 13. Check out dark mode, check out those game controllers, check out like iPad OS in general is so cool. You can use mouse support on your iPad. This update is out of this world, and you guys should definitely check it out. I think you're all going to enjoy it, but that is an easy tutorial how to get iOS 13 right now. I hope it was painless for you. Let me know what you think of this down below if and when you are installing this and what you think of it. And of course, check out all my other videos on iOS 13 actually previewing all the cool features that are here. That's all for this video. Drop a like if you enjoyed or it helped you out, and hit subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video.